In today's fast-paced world, emotional intelligence has emerged as a crucial component of successful relationships, our own emotions, paving the way for healthier interactions with others. Imagine navigating friendships, family bonds, and romantic partnerships with a profound awareness of emotional dynamics. This journey of self-awareness lays the foundation for building deeper connections and fostering trust, essential elements in any relationship. Furthermore, emotional intelligence extends beyond self-awareness. It encompasses empathy, the ability to understand and share the feelings of others. Picture yourself in a conversation where the other person is visibly upset. Responding with empathy allows you to acknowledge their feelings with compassion rather than judgment. This creates a space where the other person feels heard, valued, and understood. Empathy bridges gaps and encourages vulnerability, nurturing bonds that flourish over time. Effective communication is yet another pillar supported by emotional intelligence. Imagine expressing your thoughts and emotions clearly while also being receptive to feedback. Engaging in honest, open dialogue transforms misunderstandings into opportunities for growth. Emotional intelligence enables us to read nonverbal cues, subtle body language, and facial expressions that can reveal underlying feelings. This heightened awareness turns conversations into fruitful exchanges, where both parties feel valued and respected. Conflict resolution is another domain where emotional intelligence proves invaluable. Instead of escalating disputes, individuals with high emotional intelligence tackle disagreements with composure. They approach conflict with an understanding mindset, seeking to resolve issues collaboratively rather than defensively. Visualize addressing a disagreement not as a battlefield but as a space for mutual understanding and compromise. This approach can significantly decrease tension, fostering a climate of cooperation and respect. Moreover, developing emotional intelligence is a lifelong journey. Practicing mindfulness techniques can enhance your self-awareness, while actively seeking feedback can sharpen your empathetic skills. Engaging in open conversations about emotions, whether with friends or mentors, builds a community of support. With diligence and commitment, the skills fostered by emotional intelligence can transform the landscape of your relationships, enriching not just your life, but the lives of those around you. Ultimately, emotional intelligence is the key that unlocks authentic connections and understanding in relationships. Embracing this journey empowers you to cultivate relationships that thrive on empathy, effective communication, and conflict resolution. As you hone your emotional intelligence, watch your relationships flourish, transforming into sources of joy and support that enhance your overall well-being.